Okay, everybody. A few safety tips: no standing in the gondola. Keep all our body parts inside. We're gonna hold on to whatever that we have. We don't want it falling off because we're gonna lose them. Photographer is coming up on our right. He's not our sexiest photographer.
Ah, cool.
That's all right. I'll take that.
Yeah.
Don't take a picture.
Oh, why not?
Okay, and then the last one. Thank you very much.
But he's sexy.
You were holding a picture, right? What is that?
Whatever you want to know about each other's personal life, then you ask me.
Are we on here, Linda?
First time on the island, guys.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, how long have you been here for?
We're in the rainforest. It's real pretty. It's real pretty.
2 weeks exactly.
I was stressed because I don't know how to hook my zip line up.
Mom's all scared about zip lining. So scared, yeah. Stop right. Okay.
Help us. We're stranded on the gondola in the middle of the rainforest.
A tropical island we've never been to before.
We don't even talk about out the roads that we had to get here on.
Yeah, the road to get here, that was an adventure in itself. Okay. Apparently somebody ran out of WD-40. You got a little stuck.
Wait,
I feel a little movement. Okay, they found the WD-40. We're good. We're rolling.
We've been rescued.
Okay. All right. Bye. There she goes.
Yes. A free bird.
Superman.
Okay.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
Yeah, still around. Yeah, you spend it.
In case we didn't hear